at the beginning of something wonderful. I have here a homemade sawmill. I have a 14-inch bandsaw, and I've built a track and a sled on which to mount a log, and the track guides the sled through the bandsaw blade. And this winch, which is attached to a rope attached to the far wall, attached to the sled here, is essentially my power feed, which feeds the log through the blade at a consistent feed rate. So I'm just going to do a little demonstration here. We're going to cut out a board here that will be quarter sawn out of this black walnut log. So here we go. Alright, and there we have a beautiful black walnut board, which in a couple of years will be ready for working all season.